New developments this afternoon in two of the legal cases involving former President Donald Trump. He has now posted a $175 million bond that allows him to hold on to his New York properties, at least for the time being. Meanwhile, in his hush money case, a judge expanded the partial gag order he put Trump on. Here's ABC's Alexis Christoforous with more.
Former President Donald Trump has secured a $175 million bond in his New York civil fraud case. That means for now, his assets will not be seized by the state. A judge had found Trump and his two oldest sons deceived lenders by inflating their net worth. Last week, a court reduced the size of the bond Trump needed to cover the $464 million judgment, while his lawyers appealed the ruling. But if the appeal fails, Trump will have to secure the original amount, or authorities could begin seizing his New York properties.
We will seek, judgment enforcement mechanisms in court, and we will ask the judge to seize his assets.
Trump's lawyers had argued the former president lacked the cash to secure a bond for the full judgment after being rejected by more than 30 bond companies. Meanwhile, another judge has now expanded the gag order against Trump in the criminal case, where he's accused of falsifying business records related to a so-called hush money payment to porn actress Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 election. Trump has pleaded not guilty. The order from Judge Juan Merchan prevents Trump from attacking the judge's family members and the family of District Attorney Alvin Bragg. Trump targeted Merchan's daughter on social media for her work with a group involved in Democratic politics. During radio interviews in Wisconsin ahead of that state's primary, Trump called the cases against him unfair.
I didn't have cases in my whole life. Can you imagine? And now I get all this stuff that has happened with that, and it's purely election. It's all nonsense.
In a statement, the Trump campaign called the judge's order unconstitutional, saying it deprives him from engaging in political speech, which is protected by the First Amendment. But Judge Merchan said Trump's words have singular power and is deliberate and intended to intimidate this court. The trial is set to start April 15th. Alexis Christoforous for Channel 7 Eyewitness News.